everyone, welcome back. Is the Phantom Wallet app draining your iPhone's battery even when you're not using it? Here are two settings changes that stops it completely. Takes under a minute. First, go to your settings app and then scroll through your app list and find Phantom, or you could directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it. Then look for background app refresh and make sure that it is turned off. This stops Phantom Wallet from continuously checking Solana token prices, NFT activity, and transaction updates in the background when you're not using the app, which silently eats your battery all day. After turning that off, go back to your settings and then go to privacy and security, then tap location services and scroll down to find Phantom and tap on it. If it is set to always, change it to while using the app immediately. Phantom set to always is sending your location data continuously in the background even when the app is closed. After both the changes, your battery life will noticeably improve. So, all you've got to do is go to settings, go to Phantom, turn background app refresh, then privacy, then location services, change Phantom to while using. Battery drain will be stopped, and that's it. Subscribe.